Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson. In this video, we will discuss the small caps on our radar. First, we have a new profile that we want you to get on your radar for this week. This is a company that just completed a 1-for-70 reverse split back in February. This drastically reduces the float when a company does that. We have covered a few companies recently that completed reverse splits and went on to show immense volatility due to the limited number of shares available. There is no way to tell if this is exact, but FinViz has the entire float at just over 500,000 shares. If true, then that could explain why TGL has been on the move. This one just touched $6 on Friday and has closed green 3 of the last 4. 2 of those sessions it closed up double digits. Recently, the company announced that it will report its financial results for the third quarter of fiscal year 2024, which ended on March 31st, 2024, after the market closed on Tuesday, May 14th. This could be a major catalyst this week for the company, depending on what they report. TGL has demonstrated consistent year-over-year profit growth from the company. Recently, revenues have been down and profits have been up because the company has been focusing on increasing growth in higher margin revenue channels. Gross profit for the second quarter of 2024 fiscal year was approximately $350,000, a 48% improvement year on year from approximately $0.23 million for the second quarter of the 2023 fiscal year. The increase in gross profit was primarily due to initiatives mentioned above that the company is implementing to grow gross margins. Treasure Global Inc. is a Malaysian e-commerce company whose mission is to bring together the worlds of online e-commerce and offline physical retailers. Its proprietary app, Zity, is a kind of like Google Play meets Groupon but operates in Malaysia. Zity gives users a simplified e-payment solution while allowing them to earn rewards from cash rebates to exclusive discounts and vouchers. From the merchant side, companies can send Zity users personalized deals based on purchase history, location, and preferences, all powered by artificial intelligence. Zity even allows users to pay things such as utility bills, rent, or TV subscriptions, all while earning Z coins, which can be redeemed for a variety of rewards. Launched in Malaysia in July 2020, Zity has already achieved significant market penetration with 2.68 million registered users and 2,000 registered merchants brands as of December 2023. To put that in perspective, Malaysia's population is 34 million, meaning 8% of them are registered users on Zity. But don't just take our word for it, start your research. To read our full report on TGL, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube. No spam, your info is never shared, unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Moving on, last week, SoundHound AI, SOUN, said it lost 7 cents per share on an adjusted basis in Q1 on revenue of $11.59 million. Analysts had been expecting a loss of 9 cents per share on revenue of $10.1 million. SoundHound provides voice AI features that can be used by industries such as restaurants, automobiles, and smart devices. SoundHound's voice AI products are conversational in nature, and the company attracted wider attention from investors in February after chip giant and AI leader NVIDIA disclosed an investment in it. SoundHound stock surged in the wake of that February disclosure, peaking at a record high of $10.25 per share on March 14th and marking a whopping 383.5% year-to-date advance at that time. Since then, SOUN has shed about 54% up to its last close. SoundHound's Q1 revenue jumped 73% year over year, while its cumulative subscriptions and bookings backlog was $682 million at the end of the quarter, an increase of 80%. The company had total cash of $226 million as of March 31st, compared to $109 million as of December 31st. The company's co-founder and CEO said, "Our first quarter sets the tone for 2024 as another year of strong growth for SoundHound. Voice AI is fast becoming a must-have tool for customer service, and that's reflected in the demand we're seeing for subscriptions." In Q1, SoundHound services to the restaurant industry continued to gather steam with the closing of its $25 million acquisition of Sync3, agreements with a number of large QSR brands, including Church's Chicken, and an expanded partnership with Applebee's. Meanwhile, in the automotive industry, SoundHound in Q1 partnered with NVIDIA to deliver in-vehicle voice-enabled generative AI responses while also ramping up the use of its SoundHound Chat AI voice assistant with Stellantis. Turning to SoundHound's guidance, the company now sees full year 2024 revenue of $65 million to $77 million from a prior forecast of $63 million to $77 million. The consensus estimate is for $69.49 million. 22% of the float is short. TVGN had news after the bell. TVGN Bio said on Friday it had entered into a binding term sheet with an existing investor to secure up to $50 million of financing. The financing consists of a combination of a $36 million line of credit and $14 million in a private placement, TVGN added. According to TVGN, the financing supports its pursuit of expanding research and development efforts with a focus on continued clinical development of its initial product, TVGN 489, from its Extract T cell technology platform. TVGN expects the financing to close by the end of Q2. Following a around 99% move on Friday on the back of a $1.2 billion licensing deal with Sanofi, COVID-19 vaccine maker Novavax has forced some short sellers to unwind their positions and record about a $255 million paper loss, Bloomberg News reported, citing data from S3 Partners. According to the financial data provider, Novavax is among Wall Street's most heavily shorted stocks with more than $50 million of short interest. 33% of the float is short. Despite its record gain on Friday, Novavax continues to trade more than 96% lower than its pandemic-era peak in February 2021. Lastly, guys, WAVD is the most watched name this weekend on Stock Twitch, has the most new watchers. Guys like Stocks Rockman are all over this one. I highly recommend giving him a follow if you aren't already. He covers a lot of low float plays before they won't run. WAVD has just a 1.7 million share float. I will also be scanning the pre-market tomorrow like I do each and every trading day. If I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. However, Monday's primary focus is TGL. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here in Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low float, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube or sign up at insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You could even sign up, just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial, and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to Interactive Offers for sponsoring this video on TGL. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. It is our opinion, meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.